Ow.
Woo! My life flashed before my eyes. All I saw was red. You're holding it backwards. You're holding it backwards. Holding it backwards. I lied.
There you go. Breathe heavy. Don't hyperventilate. Nice and steady. You done?
Yeah, this fucking hurts.
Before you move it?
No.
That or over here?
No bitching
Now,
on him. Like,
you
you
want to
drive
get
6
home?
hours just to fight
Nice
for
big
it,
ice
too.
pack?
Yeah,
And then drive 6 hours
Tomorrow?
back.
yeah, I couldn't believe they did it as long as they did.
You'll be fine. It's going to hurt like a son of a bitch at work. It's going to hurt your window. I wouldn't even call it sick.
I totally dropped my axe and I had to find it again. Oh.
Oh, you bitch! Yeah, bitch!
Almost had him! You almost had him!
You tackled my leg! I was just grabbing your axe.
Good move.
Technically, you
Good
dropped
job, good
your weapon
job.
at spot. You're down, smooth wind.
There you go, Cody. That's how it's done.
That was awesome, Cody. You suck though.
One more of that. We'll take a water break, and then the three of you will fight.
Oh my Gucci's!
Did he hit you in the nuts?
No, but he was doing this.
Oh.
And so I'm like, I don't have a cup on, so all that air is like hitting the girl. I'm like, ah!
Here you go, Cody.
By the time you let go. Don't do that.
Armando's getting tired now, though.
That was good.
Get in there. Whack him.
Go get him, Cody, get him. What was that?
Everybody's tired. The longest round ever. Just sit on him. There you go. Get your leg back. There it is.
Pump his leg.
Pump his leg like a chihuahua. Like a chihuahua. You okay?
Yep.
Good job, Cody.
I was hoping.
That's right. Charlie horse! Charlie horse! Why aren't you wearing your new legs?
Oh, my left nut.
Hit him! Hit him!
I love how you're holding. Now you got a strap on the helmet right over here.
Oh, don't worry about it. Those no longer mean anything. They're for show.
Did he break the strap?
Yeah.
You bitch! I just put those on!
Here, come here. Let me see.
Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that's dirt.
I'll have to get it off later. Stand still! Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes! Everybody died. Snooze wins.
Get some ice cream. I'm gonna take you out for beer and tacos. You want tacos?
I'm gonna put it in your taco.
Tacos! That's tacos! Son of a-
Yeah! Ah! That's right, Snooze. Dedicate! Dedicate to it! Commit! You had him if you just commit. Oh. You already broke my axe. You okay, Snooze?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
I go pick it up.